Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss how to fix Instagram keeps stopping problem, which means if you open Instagram and it keeps crashing and goes back, then how you can fix that. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the Instagram, and after that you have to simply go to app info in the Instagram. You can also do the same by simply go to setting and searching for the Instagram in Instagram settings. So the first thing you have to do is you have to simply force stop the app, and after that you have to simply go to storage and cache, and here what you have to do, you have to simply click on the clear cache. After clearing the cache, you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can also go to storage and clear the storage also. After doing clear cache and clear storage, hope your problem will be solved. If the problem is still there, you can go to Play Store, and after going to Play Store you can simply search for Instagram. After searching for the Instagram, you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, what you have to do, you have to simply update your Instagram app, and after that you have to simply open the Instagram again, and before opening you have to make sure that you have closed all the app from your device. After closing, you can simply open the Instagram again, and hope this time Instagram will not problem you in opening, and it will keep stopping. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.